Across. Yeah, walk. Ow. Wow. This is pretty. Oh yeah, guys, the Bladas meet nature. So
the Bladas meet nature.
We can tell you which one is it. This one has like a less, like I don't know, like, and her hair's like downer. Which one can you tell? So we're gonna switch them up. Don't like. We're just gonna show you the face. Okay, ready?
Which one's which?
That one. Which
Don't
one's
tell.
the-
All right, comment down below and tell the Bladas. Ready?
Blada, this is your first time in the grass. Yeah. We're going to show you what grass is basically for. Walking, riding, kicking, maybe like playing soccer, whatever that is. But it's also bacon. Blada. We don't do that. All right. Let's introduce you to some sticks. So let's find some sticks. All right, your first stick. Ow. Blada, pick it up. Food. Blada, that's not food. Blada, step. Blada, don't step in that. Blada. Blada, here's a bigger stick. Blada, don't whack your sister. Blada, no stick. I'll take it. All right, now we're gonna show you some. Here, come right here. Some rock. Okay, so Blada, this is a rock. Sure.
Can't pick it up.
We don't want to get the Bladas dirty, so we're holding them because last they got really dirty. All right. Now let's find bugs. This might be a hard one. So, Blada, we might not find some bugs today. Don't worry, we can still walk. Blada, this is your first time having a walk outside. I just feel so alive. Flowers, flowers, run. Yeah, Bladas, these are flowers. I got a thorn. Oh, Bladas. It's okay, maybe we can take it out and find some. Hold on, there was a little glitch. Can I? Oh, here's a leaf. Bladas, you don't eat that. Tree! I'm gonna go throw myself in there. Blada, get in the tree. Blada, these trees. What are trees? Yeah. What are... Oh. Blada, these are the trees. Okay, guys. How much minutes have we been filming for? 5. Alright, guys, we have to find a bug. I don't even know what is a bug. Guys, we're gonna end the video. Wait! There's a thing! Bladas, this is where you're gonna sleep because you've been very, just bad today. Time to go to bed, guys. The Bladas are gonna go to sleep. All right. Good night. Good night.